Hello, I'm here today with Anthony Coombs, Chairman of S&U plc. Anthony, welcome.
Good afternoon.
Now, we hear a lot about regulation of payday lenders and companies charging high interest rates. What do you see as the potential risks and opportunities from this?
Well, we're very relaxed about the new regulatory regime under the Financial Conduct Authority. That comes in from April the 1st, and obviously people are preparing for it. But we know that they've argued that they're going to take a proportionate approach. They're going to follow on the guidelines from the Office of Fair Trading, and there's going to be a run-in period before they fully impose their rules as opposed to their principles. And so we're relaxed about it. We've got our ducks in a row as far as the company is concerned. We've always been very compliant. We're a family company. We've always been very, very conscious of the responsibility that we have for our customers. And I think that'll stand us in good stead.
Now, Provident Financial, the market leader in home credit, is refocusing its business. Is this an opportunity for you to grab a market share, or is it just a reflection of how tough trading conditions are?
No, we find trading is good at the moment, and we find that consumer confidence has come back, particularly in the last quarter of last year. We had a very good Christmas as a result. We think that Provident are retrenching. Obviously, they've made a number of redundancies as far as their management are concerned and their representatives. And there is an opportunity, no doubt, to take market share as a result of that, because morale obviously suffers in any organisation that is restructuring. I'm not saying it's necessarily happening at Provident, but nevertheless, we have had a number of inquiries from people who want to join us at a management and a representative level. And if they want to join us and they're of sufficient calibre, then they're very welcome.
Now, your car finance business has shown explosive growth. What comfort can you give that it's not all going to blow up in your face?
Well, the comfort is that we've been in the business now for 13 years. They've been able to improve their profits for 13 consecutive years. And I think they've got state-of-the-art underwriting systems and very good collection systems. And they are committed to what our mantra is in the group as a whole, which is steady, sustainable growth. And as a result, the quality of their debt and the quality of their customers now is better than it's ever been. If we take their matrices, if you like, to show the quality of debt and how people repay, the new tranche of customers, and that's been the case for the last 4 years, but the new tranche of customers is as good as it's ever been, in fact, if not slightly better.
In your results, we've seen modest growth in consumer credit volumes after many years of decline. Do you think this is the start of a new trend, or is it just a temporary blip?
I think that there's no doubt about it, the consumer confidence is improving in the economy. I think people at the beginning of last year and before that, obviously before that it was the recession generally, and uncertainty caused by that. Then there was the concern that benefit levels would be drastically reduced. But that hasn't happened, and nor should it happen for the kind of demographic we deal with. I mean, I can understand that you would want to cut the benefits of somebody on higher levels of income, but for people who really need the benefits, then there's no reason for that. So we have seen, as the position has stabilised in terms of what benefits are going to be available and what aren't, we've seen confidence come back. And obviously that's been related to the general state of the economy. I mean, employment has improved, unemployment has dropped, as we saw recently. It's now just above 7%. And that is obviously feeding through into the confidence of our customers. So we're very confident as to both businesses, but obviously we're only confident in terms of growing responsibly. We don't want to, as I always put it in our business, race the engine, because that is a recipe for taking customers too far, too quickly, and that would be both irresponsible and commercially silly as well.
Anthony, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
If you'd like any more information, please do visit the Edison website.